Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option General Management. Then let's go to date and time here. And first of all, we need to turn off automatic date, time and the time zone. So just tap on those two switchers, and now you can freely tap on date and choose it from the calendar. Tap on the day and tap on done. It will be immediately set. And the same situation with the time, just tap on it and by swiping change the hours and then minutes and tap on done. And the time zone, you can tap on select time zone, tap on the region here, and you can go through the list and find the region that you want to use. Of course, simply tap on it to apply it. And here you can also decide what kind of time format you want to use. Currently we've got the 24-hour one. To use 12-hour format, just turn off this option here, and it is done. If you wish, you can go to automatic options just by tapping on those two switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.